In this video I'm going to show you how to install the Dortmund Databank Explorer version. So you need to go over to this URL here, and I'll put that in the video description, and then you need to scroll down to the bottom of this page, and then you're going to click download zip file, and that contains the program and you can install that. So once you download the zip file, extract that and then install. The install instructions are given in this PDF, so if you run into any difficulties you can read through those. Once it's installed, you need to request a license. So this is on page 9 of the installation notes. You need to click on the RLM client configuration, so you'll see that in the folder for this program. Scroll down and then you click on that, and once you've clicked on there you'll be able to request the license. So it will take you through some different windows. So you click on registration, fill in your details, and then click online registration request. You should then be emailed a license that you need to download and save, and then once you've downloaded, saved and extracted that license, you can click add license, and that will then get added in, and then the software should work for you. In the next video I'll show you how to actually use the Explorer version of the Dortmund Databank.